Castor oil has been used for generations, but Tavio Castor Oil claims it supports gut health and digestion. Does it actually work or is it just marketing? Let's break it down. So Tavio Castor Oil is a cold-pressed pure castor oil product marketed as a natural way to support gut cleansing, regularity, detox pathways, and smoother digestion. Some sellers say it can ease occasional constipation and help clear internal buildup. But are the benefits real or just hype? Here's what some science and tradition point to. Castor oil is a known stimulant laxative. In moderate doses, it can increase intestinal movement and help with temporary constipation, which feels like improved digestion. It's natural and oil-based, so many users prefer it over synthetic laxatives when used occasionally and responsibly. Some people say it improves bowel rhythm when taken before bed or mixed into herbal routines, especially if dehydration or sluggish bowels are the root cause. But here's the reality you need to hear. Castor oil's primary effect is a stimulant laxative. It moves stool, not heals gut lining or deeply supports gut microbiome health. That's a crucial distinction. Using castor oil frequently in large doses can lead to cramps, nausea, diarrhea, and electrolyte imbalance, which is not supportive for long-term gut health. There's no strong clinical evidence that castor oil directly improves long-term gut flora balance, nutrient absorption, or chronic digestive conditions. Most benefits are short-term relief of constipation symptoms, not structural digestive support. So does Tavio castor oil actually improve gut health? Only partially. It can help with occasional constipation thanks to its laxative effect, which may feel like improved digestion, but it doesn't fundamentally heal your gut or balance your microbiome. If your goal is overall gut health, solutions with fiber, probiotics, balanced diet, and hydration have stronger evidence behind them. Castor oil is useful occasionally, not a miracle gut fix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.